Hey everyone, have you heard the news? TikTok just dropped a brand new AI feature, and it's a game changer. Yup, you heard that right. This is image-to-video generation, built right into TikTok's story camera. Let me show you exactly how it works. Welcome back to the Tenorshare AI channel. First, open TikTok and go to the story camera. Then, select any photo from your album, maybe a landscape, a selfie, or even a drawing. Now you'll see a new icon called AI Alive next to your usual editing tools. Tap that. Once you're in, type a short prompt describing what you want to happen. We tried it with a photo of a cat, and the results were stunning. A once static image began to breathe. The cat's body gently rose and fell, as if it were alive. Just tap Generate, and suddenly, your photo transforms into a cinematic animation with subtle motion, smooth transitions, and even ambient sound. This feature uses TikTok's in-house AI and adds C2PA metadata to label it as AI generated for transparency. Perfect for storytellers, content creators, or anyone looking to elevate their social media presence without complicated editing. Ready to supercharge your AI game? For faster, high-quality AI-generated content that's nearly undetectable, try Tenorshare AI Bypass. Click the link below for a free trial. Catch you in the next one.